Parroquia Nuestra Señora de la Merced is located on the Street of Sorrows, La Calle de la Amargura, in San Salvador on 6th East Street. This location has been emblematic since the 16th century due to its luxurious architecture and its central role in the liturgical activities related to the Passion, Death, and Resurrection of Christ, known as the Via Crucis. The church is a treasure of art, history, devotion, and faith, in addition to being famous for the bell tower where José Matías Delgado proclaimed the independence of El Salvador by ringing the bells. The bell tower was declared a national monument in September 1930 by the National Legislative Assembly. The history of this church dates to 1623 and has faced challenges such as earthquakes in 1854 and 1873, which led to its reconstruction. In 1895, it finally reached its full glory, and in 2011, the Ministry of Culture commemorated 2 centuries since the historic first cry of independence at this church. Nowadays, the church is open to the public, both for the Catholic community and for tourists who wish to explore the National Monument of El Salvador.